little bit
hot.
Sweaty. Not just hot,
Yeah.
sweaty.
Sweaty. Yeah, the immortal words of Buster Poindexter. It's hot, hot, hot.
Well done.
Thank you. Yeah,
Nice.
that
Was
There
it?
you go.
Yeah.
Really?
I liked it.
I believe the French call that lemay.
Lame.
That too. It's good. So, could you give me a loser on that one? Okay, just checking. All right. Anyway, from the Pepper Rick House in the Distillery District, you are seeing those clouds that we've had around go away just like they did yesterday. So that's your setup here. MaxTrack Doppler. There could be a little sprinkle or shower as you get over into Pike and Letcher counties. That's in the higher terrains here, getting a little bit of differential heating going on there as well. So again, maybe a little shower chance there, but for the rest of us, it's dry. But summertime, meteorologically speaking, begins tomorrow. We'll talk about that. With the arrival of summer, the heat's leaving the building, at least for a couple of days. And we do get some rain out of the deal, and we actually could use some of that rain. So let's look at your meteorological summer season. Now, for those of us in the weather department, for us, summer is June, July, August. Starts June 1st, ends August 31st. We do things that way, it's easier for bookkeeping. So when we look at what a normal summer is or how this summer ranks, you don't have to try and mess with the actual date of the solstice to figure all that out and the date of the equinox in September. So June, July, and August. Normal high rises from an 80-degree temperature tomorrow to 87 on June 30th. It stays there through the entire month of July, and then on August 16th, it begins its downward slide toward autumn. During that stretch, we will also see, on average, 21 90-degree days, although we didn't get that many last year. Rain and storms, we normally get just under 14 inches. We see rain on average 1 out of every 3 days. So if you're planning things like an outdoor wedding, keep that number in mind, that on an average we see rain 1 every 3 days. By the way, we get 4 days on average where we get 1 inch or more rain. That's a big gully washer. That's the worm strangler. So that's the ones where we see just those downpours come through. So 88 right now at the Bluegrass Airport. That's as warm as we've been all day. Your mugginess is certainly around, and with that, you look around the Mesonet here and everybody's middle and upper 80s. It's a hot afternoon. It's 87 in Frankfort. Stanford's at 83. West Liberty's 86, Jackson's 87, and when these dew point numbers are hovering around 70, that's when you walk out and you feel every bit of the heat that's out there. So again, this is more of a mid-July kind of feel than the end of May. One more day of heat tomorrow. We're in the upper 80s, still well above normal, but then we return to reality, and then some Thursday and Friday, a little bit of nature's air conditioning. But at this point, Saturday and Sunday, look, warm days, low humidity, just terrific. Best rain chances are going to be on Thursday, which we need. We're going to finish off the month about 1.5 inches, almost 1.75 inches below normal. So what's going on tomorrow? We do have the possibility of a strong thunderstorm. We're at the very low end of the marginal risk from I-64 and the Bluegrass Parkway northward. Get to Cincinnati and north, you have at least a better chance of seeing stronger storm out of the deal as a cold front begins to come in. So we get you to tomorrow morning, the clouds start increasing. There's 1 o'clock. An isolated storm's a possibility. Not a big chance, but it's a possibility. But you do see the storms lining up then tomorrow evening. They'll continue pressing through tomorrow night into Thursday. And as the low and front slide on through during the day Thursday, those will be your best rain chances before that whole thing clears on out. There was a hurricane that came ashore yesterday in Mexico off the Pacific named Agatha. Right now it's working its way across Mexico, should reemerge into the Gulf of Mexico, and perhaps, at least according to the European model here, turn into a tropical storm sometime by the weekend going across Florida. If that happens, it will be named Alex. So not only is tomorrow the beginning of meteorological summer, it's also the beginning of hurricane season. Fair sky and warm tonight, down close to the upper 60s. Tomorrow, your day starts with sunshine. It will become partly sunny. Can't rule out that stray storm. High temperatures tomorrow. Upper 80s, a few folks will push 90, especially in the southeast. Rain chances tomorrow night into Thursday. You're looking at highs on Thursday just in the upper 70s, mid 70s on Friday. Looks dry. Your weekend looks glorious, with rain chances then arriving as we head toward the middle of next week. Keith has sports right after this.